Welcome everyone. So today we would like to give a brief intro or have a discussion regarding how we can transform test data management with copy data virtualization. Basically, we will be talking about two topics here, mainly how we can do copy data virtualization, and the second part is like talking about TDM and then how CDV is used in TDM. Okay, so if you see the challenges, generally the copy data is like five or six fold of what the actual production data is. So what we mean by copy data is, assuming I have a production data, I may need to copy the data for multiple purpose, like taking it for backup or for a disaster recovery or for a reporting. And then now more than that, the main purpose is test data. Mainly this is for a development environment where they want to do their unit testing, and then development testing area where they may be doing a QA testing, SIT and performance testing, and also the UAT. So we will be copying the data into multiple environment and using it. So there are a lot of challenges faced by the companies when they are having enormous amount of data and enormous number of copy data requirements. Like we have listed out a few areas. Generally, there are about 200 data sources which are used by more or less all the organizations, and each data source is copied at least 8 to 10 times for a testing purpose, either being a dev testing or QA testing or UAT, whatever it may be. So, and it seems like they will be refreshing the data at least once in a day, once in a week. So that means the companies are going to refresh about 2000 copies every week. And assuming that it is taking half a day, we can say roughly say that every week they are spending about 1000 man days just to maintain their copy data, and especially related to testing purpose. So this is a very huge effort and requires a lot of hardware, storage. It's a huge overhead on the organizations. And due to all those additional effort, there are about 85% of projects delayed because the testing would not proceed because they need to wait for the data to be available for their testing to be executed and completed. That's a huge challenge. In fact, I will show some of the real-time experience of what we had seen in one of our client place, which I will be explaining in our case study. And if you see, as per the survey, the business volume is about 48 billion, which is actually eightfold of what we are talking about, the big hangama about Hadoop, because Hadoop's business volume is about 6 billion per year worldwide. But this we are actually not talking, but the data, the business, this copy data costs business about 48 billion. So it's a huge thing that needs to be addressed on at the earliest.